This question is asking us to find the surface area and the volume of the body of revolution of this figure down here. It consists of a square and a semicircle. And the formula for area of revolution is theta RL, where theta is the angle of revolution and RL is the centroid times the length. So here we can split this into 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the area of revolution about the y-axis here would be 2 pi because of full revolution is 2 pi. And then RL, so the length of the first line is 50 and its x-centroid is 150. When you're revolving about the y-axis, you use the x-centroid, and when you're revolving about the x-axis, you use the y-centroid. And then we add the second one, so the length from here to here is 150. And then the centroid would be plus 1/2 of the length here, so that would be 75. But we want the distance from 0, so we have to add 75, so that gives us 225. And for the third line, the length, this is a semicircle, so this is half of the circumference, 2 pi, and then the radius is 25. No, 75, this is actually 150, not 50, so this is 150 here. So 2 pi 75 square. And then the centroid of this would be 2r over pi. 2r over pi. R is 75. And then since it's 2r over pi is 300 from 0, so we need to add, I'm going to write this down here. So this is 2r over pi. Then we need to add an additional 300, the distance here. And the fourth line is a length of 150 and has a centroid of 225. So plug this in your calculator and you should get 1.08 times 10 to the 6 millimeters square. And that's your final answer. Well, this should be 2 pi r, not 2 pi r square. That's 2 pi r. So now for the volume, the formula for the volume of revolution is theta RA, same as before. The theta is the angle of revolution. So here we have the revolution is 2 pi, and then we can split this area into 2 parts. So we have a square and a semicircle. So the area of your square is 150 square, and the centroid of your square is 225. Plus the area of your semicircle is 1/2 of pi r square. Now the centroid is 300 plus 4r over 3 pi. 4r over 3 pi. Close parentheses, close brackets. And plugging this in your calculator, you should have 50.2 times 10 to the 6 millimeters cubed, because it's a volume.